Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. If we need to count the number of cells from cell range given more than one condition or criteria, then we will use Countifs function. The basic difference between Countif and Countifs is Countif is used when one condition or criterion is given, but if the criteria is more than one, then we use Countifs function. Let's understand this function in this example. We will begin with easy example and then we'll make it more complex. We will use different data types like numbers, texts, etc. This is important function. Please watch the video till the end carefully. In this Excel sheet, let's suppose we need to get the count of occurrence of employees day wise. We will count the number of cells having Smith in Saturday. We have two criteria. One is employee name Smith and the another criteria is Saturday. So start typing. In cell J3, type Countifs and hit tab. Countifs function is asking to give criteria range 1. Select the criteria column D, employee name, then put a comma. It is now asking for criteria 1. In this case, criteria 1 is employee name. Type employee name within double quote. Or alternatively, you can select the cell containing the name Smith, cell J2. The next criteria is day, therefore put a comma. The Countifs function is asking for criteria range 2. Select column C. We need the count of cells for Saturday, so select the cell I3. The cell value is Saturday. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now test this data in the source file. Apply filter. Select the name Smith from the drop-down list. From the day column, select Saturday. 3 rows are showing. So far our formula is working fine. Remove the filter. We will add more criteria in this formula. You can enter maximum 255 criteria in this function. We will add another criteria in this query. Let's suppose we will display more than 300 units sold in product 1 column. We will count the number of cells from these 3 cells if the unit is more than 300 in product 1 column, column E. Select the cell J3. Go to formula bar, then put a comma before closing bracket. Please note, another criteria range is highlighting. Criteria range 3. Select the column E. Then put a comma. Countifs function is asking for criteria 3. In our case, it is greater than 300. As we are using greater than operator, therefore we will type greater than 300 within double quote. Close the bracket and hit enter. The result is 2. Let's test the data. If we need to fill the rest blank cells with this formula, we need to drag the formula, but we have to lock the range. Let's do it. Go to formula bar, click criteria range 1, hit F4. Next is criteria 1. We need to freeze the row. Hit the F4 button twice. Click criteria range 2. Hit F4 once. Click criteria 2. It is this column. We need to freeze the column. Hit F4 3 times. Then click on criteria range 3. Hit F4 once. Hit enter. Now drag this formula horizontally, then vertically till the end of the data. The data is ready. Let's test the data for Smith and Tuesday. It is showing 1 by the formula. Please like and click the subscribe button to get modern Excel tutorial notification. Thank you for your interest.